UNBOX Nation, are you looking for a nice, powerful, portable power bank to take with you on the go that has a built-in retractable USB-C cable to keep all them hungry electronic devices charged up? Then I think you want to stay tuned and check out this 165-watt power bank from a company called Sharge, all right? All right. Yo, Skippy, roll that intro. Okay, YouTube, this your boy Mark for LOOSESCREWZZANDVIEWS, back again another video. But you know how we do. Before we get started, let's get all that business and politicking out of the way. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and notification bell so you'll be notified of new videos. Tell a friend, tell a friend. Go ahead and subscribe. Alright, now that we got all that business and politicking out of the way, let's get to the video. UNBOX Nation, it's your main man Mark, back again another video. Today we're going to be taking a look at this 165-watt portable power bank from a company called Sharge, alright? Before we get started, I'm going to give all thanks and praise from Heavenly Father God above and Savior Jesus Christ. Without God, none is possible, but anything is possible as long as you keep God in it, alright? Appreciate it. Also, can you do me a favor? Can you go down and hit the subscribe button? It's free, don't cost anything, and you'll be helping somebody out, alright? Appreciate it. UNBOX Nation, it's your main man Mark, back again with another power bank video. I know you're probably like, how many power bank videos you gonna do? Hey, I just like power banks, alright? You know, and they always come in handy, alright? But let me go ahead and give you some of the rundown and some of the specs for the spec junkies out here, alright? This is the Sharge retractable 165-watt power bank with built-in USB-C cable, alright? It has a rechargeable 20,000 milliamp battery in it. It has 3-port fast charging, smart digital display, what? And a high capacity external battery pack, alright? It says high capacity external battery pack for like laptops, your iPhone 17, 16, 15 Pro Maxes and all that good stuff. All right, let me go see if we can get some more specs down here. Tell you about the 165-watt total output for one USB-C port, and one USB-C cable, one USB-A port. So it's got a USB-A port to power your laptop, all that good stuff. Built-in 100-watt retractable USB-C cable. So that's one less cable you got to lug around in your bag or in your EDC bag or what have you. All right. It says the cable stays tangle-free. All right. Pull to retract and then pull to store. All right. Let's see. It says airline safe because it's 20,000 milliamp. All right. 74 watt hours. All right. High capacity full charge. Charge up your iPhone 17 up to 3 times or your laptop once. All right, so, and I think that's going to vary. It's going to depend on, you know, what your battery level is on them devices. All right, it says sleek. Let's see what's that. Sleek gradient design, crafted with gradient aesthetics, looks and feels premium. Okay. It says carry the power bank that's both powerful and stylish. All right, well, you know, everybody ain't looking at the power banks like, you know, some of us, you know, yeah, it looks cool. But anyway, smart display with real-time data. So basically what they're saying right there, it says, you know, you're going to see how much juice is going in and out of it. Let me read what it says right here. It says, clear digital screen shows power, percentage, and temperature, all right? Know your power status at a glance, all right? So the charge smarter with a full peace of mind, all right? And it has also, it says EV battery grade. It says uses ultra safe durable battery cells, holds health through over 500 full recharge cycles, all right? You hear that? It's good for 500 full recharge cycles, all right? But you know, time will tell on that one. But that's what they're claiming right here. Let's see right here. Let me see what else is on here. Let's see the measurements on here. It says the weight is 1.13 pounds, all right, and the dimensions is 6.16 inches and 1.6, and then another one. No, I'll take that back. It says 6.16 and 1.6 and 2.7. All right. So let me just see the box real quick. You see right here, it says a 20,000 milliamp, 165 watt. All right, so that's some good power right there for a power bank. Retractable cable and all that good stuff built in. Let's see here, and let me see the time of this video. All right, let's see the time of this video. It is costing what? Only $69.99. But like I said, prices change. So just at the time of this video, that's what I'm reading on the website. $69.99. All right, basically $70. All right, but it could go up, it could go down because you know how times are. But anyway, Let me turn it around. Right here you can see what does it say on the side. Digital display and all that good stuff. Compact design, multi protection. All right. Let's see. Well, here's just got a picture of the bad boy, and back here has some information back here, so you can pause this and read it for yourself. All right. So let me go ahead and get this bad boy out of the box real quick. Just tear this off. All right. Throw that box aside. Don't need that box. Throw this trash to the side. All right. See, it's got a little branding on there. All right. Take that out of the box. Toss the nothing else in that side of the box. All right. Toss that to the side. And let's pull. This is how it's going to look in the box. Let's go ahead and pull the power bank out. Do it like this to be easier. All right. Let's see what else we got in the box. Nothing in the box. All right. Nothing else in the box. Toss that part of the box aside. You got an instruction booklet. You might want to hold on to it. All right. Let's see here. Toss this box aside. Let's get this bad boy unwrapped. All right. All right. Don't need that. And voila. Here is that portable power bank. I don't know what's going on with my lighting today. Let me go ahead and see if I can brighten it up a little bit. Brighten up. Get some more bright light up in here. There we go. There we go. All right. And then here goes the train. You know, the train always want to come through when they know I'm doing some cool products right here on the channel. All right. As you can see right here. Choo choo. But anyway, here's the power bank itself. Got the little branding on the bottom. Got the little digital screen right here. Let's peel this off. All right, protecting the screen. And then on the side right here, get it to you where you can see it. You got your USB-C charging slot right here. That's the in and out. If I'm not mistaken, it says in and out. And then it has the USB-A. All right. And then, let's see here. Nothing around the side. Or here it says, it's showing you got 20,000 watt. Wow, wait a minute. It says airline safe. All right. So they're letting you know this is airline safe. So, you know, when you go through the airport, say, hey, this is airline safe, you know, but you know, they're going to have to find a say so. But anyway, let's go ahead. You got the power button right here to turn it on. And the thing that really made me want this bad boy is the retractable cable, because that's one less cable I got to take with me. Look at that. Let me see. It's pretty long for what it is. Look at that. Goes in, comes out real easy. Bam. Stores real easy. Look at that. Look at that. Let's turn on the screen right here. Look at that. Shows you, you know, the information on here telling you about 61%. And let's see here. It's got the little icon right here. All right. So let's see here. Let me go ahead and find something so we can go ahead and test this out and see how much charge we get. All right. All right. Hold tight. Okay, we're back. All right. I got some devices we can go ahead and test out, and so we can go ahead and see what the wattage is with this bad boy. So first, let's go ahead and do well, I'm almost at 93% on this one, so it probably ain't gonna show super fast charge, but let's go ahead and just try it anyway. Go ahead and pull it out. Let's see here. Plug it in. All right. Got the wrong thing on there, so let's go ahead and do super fast charge. Super fast charge. Look at that. Super fast charge. All right. And we're putting out, it's kind of hard because the screen is small. Like, see it on the video, it's small, but I can see it a little better. It says putting out 7 watt. Now, mind you, this, you know, it's 93%, so that's why I'm gonna put out that much on that one. So, see, I don't know if you can see it. All right. So let's try the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Let's plug it in here and see how much juice this is putting out for that one. And see that I got this one is charged at 82%, so that ain't gonna work. So I think I know I got something that might work. Let me see. I got a cable right here. I'm gonna plug it into my iPad 12.9 inch tablet. So I'm gonna go ahead and plug, let's see here, plug this one end into here and plug the other end into here. All right, we look like, let's see what we're saying now on here. It's putting out 49 watts. You see that? 40, 45. See if you can get that 45 watts. All right. So and let me and it's still plugged up into these devices here. Let me try this Bluetooth speaker. Not sure if when the last time I've charged this bad boy up, but I'm gonna go ahead and plug that in there. All right. We're charging that up. As you can see, the red light came on. It's charging that up. Let's see here. Let's go ahead and click this button to see what we're saying on this button. Look at that. The information on here. I can't see it. Let me turn it around where I can see. Okay, it's saying runtime on here. Let me see. It says last charge is 61%. Max capacity. Battery cycles 1. Got the weather. Got the temperature on there in Celsius and Fahrenheit. And total 82 watts. Saying it's going out. But let's see. Let me click the button again. So it should show us. Okay, screen. But you can change the brightening of the screen. And you can leave it always on. And then it says the language. It's at 59%. Now I was thinking, for some strange reason, I was thinking that it would show how much is going into each separate device. Let me see if I can mess with this screen a little bit. All right, I'm gonna plug something else up. Let me see. I got another power cord over here to check out. Let me go ahead and plug it in here, a USB-A cable, and plug it into something else. You see, I got some. Let me try this one more time with the Note 20 Ultra. So we got 3 different devices getting charged. You got the iPad getting charged, and you got the iPad getting charged, as well as the speaker, and you got let's see what else we got charged. We got, like I said, iPad, speaker, and the Note 20 Ultra. All right, all 3 of them being charged at one time. You see it's getting charged in here, charging there, and the iPad is getting charged. All right. So that's pretty cool. But for some reason I thought that it should show each device. No touch screen. Let me see if I press and hold what happens. Nope, don't show that. Now see, that's one thing that I kind of wish. No, ain't no kind of wish. I wish it would have showed. If you're gonna say you got a smart screen, have that display on there where you can see each device. Like I think there's some other power banks I've used out there that has that on there. But let me check something else out real quick. All right, hold tight. All right, View Nation. All right, View Nation. I'm back. I couldn't find any kind of information. I tried, tested it different kind of ways to see if it would also display if you got 3 things plugged up into it, charging 3 things. I was trying to see if the screen would show each individual device getting charged, which it doesn't, and I couldn't find any kind of research in any kind of information in the instruction booklet or online. So basically, that feature is missing. The only thing it's going to show you is the total amount of juices going out to everything, and they're going to do each individual device. And other than that, it's just going to show you. See if I can get this to focus. Let's see if I can get this to focus real quick. It's just going to show you this right here. It's just going to show you, the total run time and the last charge to what percent and all that good stuff. It's not going to show you each individual device. Do I think that's a deal breaker? No, but it may be for you, but it's not for me. But the reason why I was thinking that was because of the fact that Anchor, if I'm not mistaken, makes one that is pretty much similar to this one. That, if I'm not mistaken, if you plug in multiple devices in there, it'll show each multiple device and how much juice is going out to it. And then I could be wrong, but I believe that's what it is. And that's, and theirs also is more expensive than this one as well. So this one does just as much, it's just as good as theirs. It's just that one feature that's missing. I mean, I wish it had that feature, but it don't. But I got a question for you. Have you hit that subscribe button? Go ahead and hit it. It helps me to get products like this to bring to the channel, all right? Because the more people to watch, the more I'm able to be able to get stuff like this and bring it to the channel. But anyway, let's get back to this right here. But do I think this is a pretty good pickup? Yeah, I would definitely recommend this power bank. I mean, It's way cheaper than some of the more expensive ones, and it does just as you know, it works just as good. I think what is 20,000 milliamps, and it's 165 watt total output. And I think it recharges at let me see what do a glance on here. I think it recharges at yeah, I really couldn't see anything I'm trying to see online. I couldn't see anything online, but from me charging it myself, I think I saw the maximum was like, you know, like 38 or 40 watts, but I could be wrong. You know, if anybody else knows how fast it recharges, you can leave that in the description, in the comment section. But from my understanding, it pretty much is like it's pretty much, you know, advertised for, you know, 165 watt output, but it's not really mentioning too much of how much wattage it goes into the input to recharge it. So yeah, let me see if it's on here. Get a little closer where you can see it. Okay, input 65. Boy, I should have just looked at the thing, but the writing on here is so tiny. So it will input at 65. When I was last charging it, it was at 85%, and it wasn't charging that fast, because most devices, once they get to that you know, once they get to a certain level, they kind of lower how fast they charge. You know, so I guess that's to protect the battery. But anyway, I'm gonna leave a link in the description box below where you get more detailed information. Like I say, I'm not an expert at this. I'm just a regular everyday person who loves tech and gadgets and like to showcase new products I get right here on the channel. So if you haven't already, go ahead and like, subscribe, notification bell so you're notified new videos. Tell a friend, tell a friend, tell that friend, tell a friend, tell that friend, tell a friend, tell that friend, tell a friend to subscribe so they can see cool products like this and like this on the channel. Alright? Alright. I appreciate it. And like I always say in all my videos, treat people how you want to be treated. Treat people better than you want to be treated. All right. And like I say, if it's something I missed, you know, didn't, you know, cover in the video, just click on the link in the description box. You know, and you can see more detailed information. And also, when you click on those links in the description box, you know, it's an affiliate link, and I get, you know, a little kickback. It's not much, but it helps me to bring products like this to showcase on the channel. All right. And like I always say, treat people how you want to be treated. Treat people better than you want to be treated, all right? Let's see here. The message for today. Okay, I got it. Don't spend your life trying to impress others. You're like, Mark, what are you talking about now? Well, you know, there's a lot of people out there, for some reason, they feel like they got to impress everybody. They spend all their time trying to impress people, trying to, you know, make people think they're this or they're that. I mean, you wasted your time. I mean, that's valuable time you could be using to better yourself instead of trying to impress people. So, you know, don't stop worrying about what other people think and trying to impress them, and focus on trying to make sure yourself is better. All right. That's the message for today. This is your main man, Mark, for Loose Screws and Views. Drop the mic, baby, and we out. Peace.
Yeah. Girl, it's been a minute since I vibe with you. Conversating, do nothing right with you. Hold me close, so ain't nothing wrong with you. Yeah, we said our vows, I belong to you now. Tired of feeling defeated, right? Party, ain't nothing had tonight. Quit trying to make me feel like I'm the